This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can check the amount of available RAM that you have on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the My Phone category, that's the very first you'll find. And in here, at the RAM field, you'll be able to see how much gigabytes you have as per the random access memory, as well as whether the if the memfusion feature is enabled, you'll be also able to look up how many gigabytes you have as per the virtual random access memory amount that are being artificially created and used through occupying the respective amounts of storage, which is in my case 5 gigabytes. In addition to the 80 gigabytes of the default RAM amount. So that would be it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.